Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Today I'm making a sweet and sour eggplant. So first I cut the eggplant into cubes and use 3 grams of salt to marinate the eggplant for 20 minutes. And these are the ingredients. The exact measurements are written down below in the description box. Obviously, chili is not a must. So if you like spicy food, feel free to add more chili, otherwise you don't need to add any. Then I put all the sauce together in a bowl and added water to dilute the sauce. And then I stir it. So after 20 minutes, you can see the eggplant became soft and there also is some water coming out. Then I use water to really wash off the salt. And here it's very important to squeeze out all the water from the eggplant because when you stir fry the eggplant, you want to make sure the eggplant is dry. So really squeeze out the water. And then I turned down the heat. I used medium to high heat. Then I poured a little bit peanut oil. Here you can use any oil, it doesn't matter. Peanut oil, vegetable oil, corn oil, olive oil. I just personally like peanut oil better. I think it tastes better. It tastes like a light version of sesame oil. And I waited for like 20 seconds, wait for the temperature to go up. And then I put all the eggplant into the pan and I started stir frying it. And you want to make sure you keep stirring it because you don't want any eggplant to stick on the pan. And I kept doing this for 3 minutes, but it also really depends on your own stove. As you can see here, this is after 3 minutes. The eggplant turned into brown color and also it's soft now. So I poured all the sauce in the pan, but before you pour the sauce, make sure you stir it because it has the cornstarch. And after that, just let it sit there and simmer. So during the simmering process, the sauce will evaporate, but most of the sauce will be soaked by the eggplant. So the eggplant will be very juicy. And after 1 minute, I turned down the heat a little bit to medium now. So now the heat is at medium. And as I mentioned before, it really depends on your own stove. For me, I waited for like 5 minutes until the sauce was completely soaked by the eggplant, like this. And then it's done. Now I just transferred all the eggplant into a plate, and this is my sweet and sour eggplant. I think it tastes better than meat. And in the end, I always like to use some spring onion to decorate the dish. Sweet sour eggplant, here it is. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you. Bye.